The Catholic Church of the Sacred Heart of Jesus is the ruins of a Catholic church in Pagar, Sungai, Lembu in Bukit Mertajam, Penang. Built in 1882, it bears features vaguely resembling the famous Notre Dame Cathedral of Paris because of its two original towers, according to some. But it is of a different architectural style and era. The church was founded for the largely Hakka Catholic community who moved to settle in Sungai Lembu area as farmers. According to the interpretative board on the site, a Catholic mission was established by the Reverend Father Alaid from the Paris Foreign Mission Society, Société des Missions Étrangères de Paris, who arrived in 1866. So this is a vestige of the French presence in Penang. In the aftermath of the Second World War, the country was gripped by communist terrorism. The villagers of Pagar lived in the crossfires between the government troops and the communist guerrilla. To prevent the villagers from aiding the communists, the British relocated them out of Pagar. As a result, the Church of the Sacred Heart had been abandoned, leaving only the cemetery in function and being visited only on a festive day such as All Souls' Day. Today, the communist threat is largely forgotten chapter in the country history, but the settlement of Pagar was never rebuilt. Thus, the ruined Church of Sacred Heart still stands as a reminder of the Hakka farmers who once toiled the land on that site many decades ago. It is a very interesting site, though it will not last for much longer.